Friends, I am Pentamadi Nishan. In this video, I am going to tell you about my guru Sri P.R. Sarkar's Progressive Utilization Theory Proud. What is Progressive Utilization Theory? Who gave the theory? What is Progressive Utilization Theory? It is a socio-economic political theory. Who gave this theory? This theory was created by Indian philosopher and spiritual leader Sri P.R. Sarkar. The theory is law of social cycle and governance. A proud economy is cooperative and decentralized. Friends, with this great proud theory, I am very happy to say that Dr. Ravi Bhatra, Sri P.R. Sarkar's disciple, got a Nobel Prize in the year 1993.
Hello everyone, I'm Keshav Pentapati. So I'm going to tell about Dr. Ravi Batra. His full name is Ravindranath Ravi Batra. He is an Indian American economist, author, professor at Southern Methodist University. He is also the author of 6 best-selling books, and the 2 of which appeared on New York Times bestseller list. So, as the India at that time, it was under the British control, so we would call it as British India. And Dr. Ravi Batra, his birthplace is in Pakistan, falls in Pakistan. So he was born on 27th of June 1943 in Multan, Punjab, British India. His school or tradition is Progressive Utilization School. Friends, I shall remember you that the Progressive Utilization Theory was given by Sri P.R. Sarkar, founder Gurudev of Ananda Marga Pracharaka Sangh. Dr. Ravi Batra's parents are very strong devotees and followers of Sri P.R. Sarkar. That's why Dr. Ravi Batra got a chance to meet his Gurudev Sri P.R. Sarkar from his childhood. He was well inspired and influenced by Sri P.R. Sarkar's ideology and teachings. He got full understanding over the progressive utilization theory PROUT, P-R-O-U-T, subject. That might be the reason he studied in Progressive Utilization School. After growing big, he completed his MA Economics in Delhi School of Economics, and he completed his PhD in Southern Illinois University. Dr. Ravi Batra took his economics group only by getting inspired by Sri P.R. Sarkar's proud subject. By the blessings of Baba, Dr. Ravi Batra contributed to country in international trade theory, macroeconomic theory, and labor economics development theory. I am proud to tell you that Dr. Ravi Batra won a Nobel Prize in 1993. He proudly announced it on many international dais that this honor of becoming Nobel Prize awardee is nothing but Sri P.R. Sarkar's blessings and his progressive utilization theory proud. He served in Southern Methodist University as a professor in international economics and macroeconomics. He wrote The Great Depression in 1990, The New Golden Age, and New Green Spans Fraud, The Myth Free Trade, Regular Economic Cycles, The Crash of Millennium, and many other books. His book The Great Depression of 1990 was on the world number one sales. His books center on his idea: the financial capitalism breeds excessive inequalities and political corruption, which inevitably succumbs to financial crisis and economic depression. In his works, Dr. Batra proposes an equitable distribution system known as progressive utilization theory (PROUT), as means not only to ensure the material welfare but also to secure the ability of all to develop full personality of the person. Thank you.